What Hindu customs are practiced to enhance fertility and reproductive health? Hinduism, with its rich tapestry of rituals and beliefs, encompasses several customs and practices aimed at enhancing fertility and reproductive health. These practices often blend spiritual, cultural, and Ayurvedic principles, reflecting a holistic approach to well-being and procreation. Some of the notable customs include worship of specific deities, Santana Gopala mantra and worship of Lord Krishna. Childless couples often worship Santan Gopala, the infant form of Lord Krishna, and recite specific mantras believed to bestow the boon of a child. Worship of Goddess Shakti. Goddess Shakti is venerated in many Hindu traditions as the protector of children and bestower of fertility. Devotees observe fasts and offer prayers to this deity for children's well-being and to enhance fertility. Fertility rituals and festivals. Garbhadna Samskara. This is a traditional conception ritual aimed at invoking divine blessings for a healthy and spiritually advanced child. It involves specific prayers and offerings made during the time of conception, emphasizing the spiritual and mindful beginning of the process of bringing a new life into the world. Rituals during Akshaya Tritiya and Kamda Ekadashi. Certain auspicious days, like Akshaya Tritiya and Kamda Ekadashi, are considered highly propitious for performing rituals to enhance fertility and ensure the well-being of progeny. Ayurvedic practices. Diet and herbal remedies. Ayurveda, the traditional Hindu system of medicine, prescribes specific diets and herbal remedies to enhance fertility. Foods that are rich in nutrients and have a sattvic, pure and balanced quality are recommended. Herbs like ashwagandha, Vidania somnifera, shatavari, Asparagus racemosus, and Gokshura, Tribulus terrestris, are commonly used to improve reproductive health in both men and women. Panchkarma treatment. Panchkarma, a detoxification and rejuvenation therapy in Ayurveda, is believed to enhance fertility by cleansing the body and balancing the doshas, biological energies, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Lifestyle practices. Yoga and pranayam. Specific yoga asanas, postures, and pranayam, breathing exercises, are believed to improve reproductive health by enhancing blood circulation, reducing stress, and balancing hormones. Poses like Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend, Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, and Bhramari pranayam, deep breath, are often recommended. Observance of fasting. Fasting on certain days is believed to have spiritual and health benefits, including improved fertility. It is thought to detoxify the body and create the right energetic and spiritual environment for conception. Marital and sexual conduct. Hindu teachings also emphasize the importance of the marital relationship and sexual conduct in the context of procreation. The Garbhadna Samskara, for example, underscores the sanctity and intentionality of conception, highlighting the significance of timing and spiritual mindset. Conclusion. Hindu customs and practices related to fertility and reproductive health are deeply embedded in the religion's broader spiritual and cultural context. They reflect an understanding of fertility and procreation that transcends the physical, incorporating spiritual, emotional, and holistic dimensions of health. While these practices are rooted in tradition, many Hindu couples today may blend these ancient customs with modern medical approaches to fertility, reflecting a comprehensive approach to starting a family.